my God, guys. I'm done with my foot massage and my God, it's so good. I almost went to sleep, but ang daya. Ba't wala tayong mango sticker rice? Bakit yung dalawa may mango sticker rice?
Bakit sila meron?
Shala. Medyo may discrimination. No, because tayo foot massage lang sila. Body massage. Ang daya, they have mango sticker rice and we don't have.
Tanong mo sa kanya.
Yeah, we don't have mango sticker rice. I think it's because they have the full massage. So, okay guys, we're done. Ang sarap. I want to
Bigyan mo.
for the two of them.
Hindi. Yung nabigay ko ng isa.
Eh, bakit kami walang mango sticker rice? Ha? Bakit yung dalawa sa meron?
Tanong mo.
I don't like. Sasabihin, kasi cheap yung kinuha niyo yung package. So, wala kayong mango. Oh, but tas mango sticker rice, kami lang wala. Why? Okay, I'll ask the counter later. Bakit wala kami mango sticker rice? So, guys, that's it for today. So, we're gonna go home and go to sleep. So, see you tomorrow.